In this video, I'm going to show you how to join servers on crafting and building. Now, to join servers, you're going to need to sign in into an account in order to actually play multiplayer. Now, in the main menu right over here, just click on settings. Over here on the left panel, just go ahead and click on account right over here. As you can see, you will see a button right here that says sign in. Since I'm already signed in, it should say signed out on my end. But if you haven't already, just go ahead and click on sign in. If you don't have an account, basically, it's an easy process to make an account. Even though we don't already have a Gmail account, you can go ahead and do create an account here through crafting and building. The good thing is they allow you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. If you guys want to go ahead and find a video. I already did make a video about that. Just go ahead and do that. Now, next thing is basically join a server once you signed in. Return to the main menu, click on servers right over here once you go and play. As you can see, featured servers are right over here. You can also click on play and just test out the servers. Go ahead and see. And as you can see, we are currently on a server right over here with a bunch of people currently on server.